Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into the HyperX Alloy Rise, a mechanical gaming keyboard that's been generating a lot of buzz. HyperX is making a statement with this one, packing in features that aim to please both hardcore gamers and keyboard enthusiasts alike. First impressions matter, and the Alloy Rise doesn't disappoint. The build quality feels incredibly solid. The keyboard has a good weight to it, thanks to its robust construction. This isn't some flimsy plastic toy. It feels like a premium piece of kit designed to last. One of the standout features is, of course, the hot swappable nature of the switches. This is a game changer for anyone who likes to experiment with different key feels. Whether you prefer clicky, tactile, or linear switches, the Alloy Rise lets you easily swap them out without any soldering required. The model we're looking at today comes with HyperX's linear switches, which are smooth and responsive, perfect for fast-paced gaming. The Alloy Rise also boasts a gasket-mounted design. This mounting style provides a more cushioned typing experience, reducing harsh bottom-out impacts and creating a more pleasant sound profile. It's a noticeable improvement over traditional plate-mounted keyboards, offering a softer, more refined feel. Connectivity is handled via a USB-C cable, which is always a welcome addition. The cable is detachable, making it easy to replace or swap out for a custom one. The keyboard is compatible with both PCs and gaming consoles, offering versatility for different setups. Another interesting feature is the ambient light sensor. This sensor automatically adjusts the keyboard's backlighting based on the ambient light in your room. It's a subtle but useful feature that helps to reduce eye strain and create a more comfortable gaming experience. The backlighting itself is vibrant and customizable, with a range of effects and colors to choose from. The HyperX Alloy Rise is more than just a collection of impressive features. It's a cohesive package that delivers a top-tier gaming and typing experience. The hot swappable switches, gasket-mounted design, and ambient light sensor all contribute to a keyboard that feels both premium and highly functional. If you're in the market for a new mechanical keyboard, the Alloy Rise is definitely worth considering. It's a solid investment that will provide years of reliable performance and endless customization options.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.